Let's begin. The Cascade Range in Washington state stretches across a breathtaking expanse of rugged peaks, dense forests, and vibrant ecosystems, a landscape shaped by ancient geological forces. Around the Mount Rainier area, though we're not lingering on the mountain itself, the terrain unfolds in a tapestry of evergreen forests, alpine meadows, and shimmering valleys. The Cascades, formed millions of years ago by tectonic uplift and sculpted by glaciers, create a dramatic backdrop where nature thrives in vivid detail. The forests here are dominated by towering conifers, particularly Douglas firs, western hemlocks, and noble pines. The ponderosa pine, with its thick, cinnamon-colored bark, stands out in drier pockets east of the Cascades, thriving in the region's volcanic soils. These trees can reach heights of over 200 feet, their needles catching the sunlight in golden-green hues. Western red cedars, with their feathery foliage, add to the lush canopy, their wood historically used by indigenous peoples for everything from canoes to longhouses. The forest floor is alive with ferns, mosses, and wildflowers like the delicate trillium, which blooms briefly in spring, dotting the undergrowth with white starbursts. Wildlife in these forests is as diverse as the terrain. Black-tailed deer roam quietly through the underbrush, their ears twitching at the faintest sound. Higher up, mountain goats navigate rocky outcrops with impossible grace, their thick, woolly coats shielding them from the chill. Elusive creatures like the Cascade's red fox, with its russet fur, dart through the woods, while black bears forage for berries in late summer. Above, red-tailed hawks circle, their piercing cries echoing across valleys. If you're lucky, you might hear the haunting call of a northern spotted owl, a rare resident of these old-growth forests, now dwindling due to habitat loss. The second half of our journey takes us to the lakes scattered across this region, their surfaces reflecting the endless sky. Many of these lakes, carved by glaciers thousands of years ago, are fringed with conifers and, in some cases, ringed by weathered stumps, remnants of logging from decades past, or trees felled by natural cycles of drought and flood. Some lakes, like those near the Mount Rainier footholds, are seeing lower water levels, a sign of changing climates and shifting precipitation patterns. These exposed shorelines reveal gnarled roots and stumps, a stark reminder of the forest's resilience and the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Take, for example, the smaller alpine lakes in the region, like Lake Mowich or Tipsoo Lake, though we're imagining one like them for this video. Their shores often host willows and sedges, plants that stabilize the soil and provide habitat for amphibians like the Cascade's frog, which thrives in these cool, clear waters. The stumps you see, sometimes half submerged, tell stories of early 20th century logging, when timber was a lifeblood of Washington's economy. Yet, these lakes remain vital, supporting fish like cutthroat trout and providing stopovers for migratory birds like the American dipper, which dives into the chilly waters to hunt aquatic insects. Tourism here is a celebration of nature's grandeur. Visitors flock to the Cascade Range for hiking trails that wind through old-growth forests, where the air smells of pine resin and damp earth. Trails like the Grove of the Patriarchs, though closer to Mount Rainier, offer glimpses of trees over 1,000 years old, their massive trunks cloaked in moss. The Pacific Crest Trail, cutting through the Cascades, draws adventurers from around the world, offering panoramic views of jagged peaks and wildflower-strewn meadows. In summer, campgrounds buzz with families roasting marshmallows under starlit skies, while winter brings snowshoers and cross-country skiers to explore the silent, snow-draped forests. The Cascade Range's beauty lies not just in its vistas, but in its intricate web of life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content to support us.